Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Quick Log on the Ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started using Ladder, but the first thing we want to do is go ahead and select the theme we want to be a part of right here in the bottom right corner. By clicking the theme section, it's going to enable you to filter out all the themes and find which one suits you the most. So go ahead and select your theme, and now we can get started following its workout plan right here. And now let's go and take a look at how to use Quick Log. So basically guys, if you're completing a bodyweight exercise and want to quickly check off all prescribed movements for a session, you can tap the auto log button or auto check off option in your workout journal. So as you can see right here in the upper right corner, we have the journal option. It's going to enable us to take a look at our journal input entries. So from here you're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at all your workouts. Once you start them, they're going to go ahead and be put into your journal, and there you're going to have your settings from where you can use Quick Log. This is going to enable you to quickly log any of your workouts, and you're going to go and be able to see it once you start any of the workouts right here from the main page. So that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.